Well, it's been a while. Thought I'd give you all an update on the garden. Dahlias are coming along nicely. New cucumbers. The last ones flopped. Had a couple peas come through. Their cucumber is finally getting a flower. Believe it or not, over 50 strawberries in there. Potato. Lilies are coming in. Chamomile. More peppers. Nothing quite like right after the rain. Anybody who was watching for the praying mantises, I have not seen any more after day 9 or 10, I think it was. Maybe they'll make another appearance. Perhaps. We'll see.